Hi, everyone. I am Joni Klippert, CEO and co-founder of StackHawk. And on behalf of myself, Simon Bennett, the creator and project lead for Zap, and the entire StackHawk ZAPCon team, I'd like to welcome you to ZAPCon 2022. For those of you new to Zap and ZAPCon, the Z Attack Proxy is an open source dynamic application security testing tool that scans your running application for security vulnerabilities. Zap was founded by Simon Bennett 11 years ago. It's an OWASP project and the most widely used application security tool on the market. The project provides the best support for modern applications, including API testing and a new automation framework. At StackHawk, we are proud to be built on top of the Zap scanning engine. We chose Zap due to its reputation in the market, community source testing engine, and extensibility. At StackHawk, our mission is to help developers find and fix application security bugs before they deploy to production. And we do this through an enterprise solution that is easy to automate, it's built for developers, and interops with core developer tooling and manages finding over time. We are thrilled to have Simon join the StackHawk team early on, and we're equally thrilled to be partnering with Zap and helping to grow the Zap open source community. Giving back to the Zap community and open source project is important to StackHawk. Part of the value of operating a SaaS product with open source ties is that we have the ability to use customer feedback and data to help the open source project become better. To that end, we've been able to use customer feedback to identify false positives in Zap, contribute fixes to those issues, as well as help provide more complete issue detection. We have also contributed back more robust and complete REST API testing and the ability to add compiled scripting support to enable speed and customized testing through Kotlin scripting support. We are excited to continue giving back key contributions to help Zap maintain its position as a leader in the open source security market. So that brings us to ZAPCon. ZAPCon is a conference all about helping developers and security professionals modernize AppSec and their use of open source Zap to meet the demands of rapid software delivery. We face a couple of realities of DevOps. The way that we build software has changed. Applications are cloud first. They are deployed with microservices architecture for rapid software delivery, and testing and releases are automated in CI/CD pipelines, all to support companies in rapidly delivering software, which we should think about as value, to our customers faster. What's more is application frameworks have changed. Companies are building single-page applications where the data layer is decoupled from the presentation layer via APIs, which might be REST, GraphQL, or another protocol. With this change, by definition, modern DAST has to support API testing. We've changed how we build, we changed what we build, and now we have to change how we secure these things. I'm excited about the upcoming sessions that address these changes. We've got a great panel talking about modern approaches to application security, a session and panel about DAST automation with Zap, and a great hands-on workshop tomorrow about how to automate DAST in CI/CD using GitHub Actions. With all of this great content, we are excited to help you level up with Zap. Last year, in collaboration with Simon, the Zap core team, and StackHawk, we decided to host the first ever ZAPCon. We gave our team something like 6 weeks to run an experimental event, a goal of 400 attendees, and this community rallied in a way that we did not expect. We had more than 2,300 registrants from all over the world join us live and on streaming to learn more about Zap. It was such a success that by the end of the event, we announced the date for ZAPCon 2022. And we are so excited to have you joining us here today. This year, we've had an incredible increase in registrations and attendees eager to learn more about how to level up their use of Zap. We've got an exciting keynote by Jim Manico educating us on the 2021 OWASP Top 10 and Zap, great talks from practitioners eager to share best practices, and panels discussing experiences and perspectives on how to modernize AppSec. In addition to a great day of content, we've added a second day of workshops where attendees can get hands-on training around API security testing, learn directly from Simon on how to best contribute to open source Zap, and learn how to automate DAST and API security in pipeline with GitHub Actions. Some of the goals for this ZAPCon and for the broader community beyond today are to give you the tools and resources you need to level up AppSec with Zap, to make it easier to contribute back to Zap, and at the end of the day, to continue growing this awesome community. To help support those initiatives, I am very excited to announce that StackHawk has created a $100,000 fund to help support the Zap community and Zap contributions. As a company that benefits from the great work of Zap, we believe it's important to give back and facilitate the ability to grow a larger and more deeply engaged community around Zap. This helps it ensure it maintains the status of the best AppSec open source project in the world. To learn more about the fund and bounties for contributions, visit stackhawk.com/zap-fund. We also want to extend a huge thank you to the Zap core contributors, Simon, Ricardo, Rick, and Akshat. They give incredible amount of time to the success of Zap. They're the team building the project, reviewing PRs, and answering community inquiries. When you see them in the Discord today, please give them a special thanks for giving so much to this project that adds so much value to application security. It's about time to start the programming. To make sure that you get the most out of your experience, please join the Discord server and chat with speakers and community members. Please ask questions and give feedback throughout. This is our second ZAPCon, and we want to continue making it a great experience for all of those who attend. On behalf of the ZAPCon team, I want to extend a huge thank you to all of our incredible speakers. This year, we were able to double the content with some awesome sessions from practitioners and thought leaders in application security. We really hope you enjoy. And lastly, thank you to our sponsors, Sneak and Circle CI, for your support of ZAPCon and the Zap project. With that, I hope you enjoy the show. I'll see you in the Discord.